Hi, this is Michelle. Welcome to my channel. First off, I'd like to thank everyone, of course, who watches my videos, who likes my videos, who leaves me comments, and who subscribes. It is appreciated. I thank you very much. Today, I am doing a video on Dooney Bourke totes. Basically, just some oldies, some newer ones, you know, just to get everyone's opinion about which one, if they could only choose one, which one would it be? So the first tote is the beloved Dooney Bourke Russell tote. Of course, this is Florentine leather. The color is natural, and I believe this is the small Russell. So let me just show you, for those who haven't seen this bag, let me just show you what it looks like. This is the front, this is the side, this is the back, the other side, and the bottom. Now the width or the depth on this bag is really, really great. You can get a lot in here. I have carried this bag. I was able to get my iPad in here, either my iPad or my laptop. But this bag has really great capacity. It closes with a magnetic closure, which is right there, and then it has two snaps on either end if you want to close the bag completely. It's lined at the top with the green suede, and then the interior is just the red cotton interior. It has two slip pockets on the front wall, and then the standard zipper and slip pocket on the back wall. The measurements on this tote are, and these are estimated because I did this myself, 10 inches high, 5.5 inches deep, 12.5 inches long. So like I said, nice bag, nice capacity. Let me just show you. I think I'm gonna move on to the next bag, and then I will show what fits in all three. The next one is the Amelie, Dooney Bourke Florentine leather Amelie tote. Actually, it's called a shoulder bag, but I consider it a tote. And like I said, the color is natural. This is the front, side, back, other side, and then the bottom. Now, I picked this up on eBay, so that is why you see this here. This is not a brand new bag, or I didn't purchase it as a new bag. There's also stains on the inside. The interior of this particular collection is leather. So of course you have the green suede around the perimeter of the bag. On the back wall you have the, let me just take that out. You have the zipper and slip pocket, and then on the front wall you have the long, vertical pockets. But what I love about this collection, and I do have the smaller version of this one, which is a crossbody. But what I love about this collection is it's basically an all leather bag. And then of course you have the Dooney logo right here, and then the duck right here. And it is the, I'm going to say it's the gold toned or gold plated hardware. Really, and actually that is the only hardware that's on the bag. This, and then just the latch, and the rest is leather, and of course the feet. The rest is leather, but great bag. Really nice capacity. Let me give you the measurements. It is, let's see, Amelie, it's and these are estimated, these are my measurements, or me taking measurements of the bag. 13.5 long, 6 wide, 10 high. So again, comparable to the Russell, around the same size, a little bit longer. Yeah, a little bit longer, around the same capacity or depth. So that one. And then we have the Ashton tote. And this is also done in the Florentine leather. The color is navy. And this is one of my newer totes. I did purchase this. I believe I purchased this from QVC. So this is the front. Has the beautiful stitching. The leather logo. This is the side. It's the other side with a nice pocket. Side. And then 4 feet. And the measurements on this one are 10 high, 3.5 wide, and 14 long. And again, these are estimates. And then as far as the interior, you just have the magnetic closing. And then it's done in the red cotton interior, or red cotton lining, I should say. Again, the perimeter is lined with the green suede. And then on the front wall, you have the 2 vertical pockets. Back wall, you have the zipper and slip pocket. And then, of course, you have the zipper pocket on the back. Nice size pocket. You can get a lot in here. And I don't think I showed you the pocket on the Russel. So let me show you that one. That one also has a nice back pocket. Again, lined in the same cotton lining, red cotton lining. Nice size pocket. You can definitely get your phone in here. Now I have the iPhone 11. It's the case for my iPhone 11, and easily goes in there. And you can still get other items in there, so plenty of room. And then with the Ashton, this is a bigger pocket. It's a longer pocket. So look at that. You can get a couple of phones, a few phones in there with the size of this pocket. So really, and definitely other things. So really nice size pocket. So let me show you what fits. Let's start with the Ashton. I'm just going to use the regular pieces that I carry, and let me just bring the camera down so you can see the regular pieces that I carry, and which are my Dooney and Bourke small, did I say Perk? Dooney and Bourke small wristlet. And then my Dooney and Bourke medium wristlet. Both are in pebble leather, and the color is hot pink. That easily gets in there. And then I also have the Dooney and Bourke large Carrington. That easily fits. Just put it on this side. You can actually put them side by side. That's how much room you have in here. And you still have plenty of room to get other items. 16-ounce water bottle easily fits in there. So this bag has really good capacity. And of course you do have the key. So that's that one. Then I am going to move to let's do the Russel. I know this is a favorite of many. And this is a nice bag. I love the handles. They don't dig in, so you can really load this bag up. And they're rolled handles. This is a really nice bag. I understand why so many people like it, have it, and carry it. So this is my large Carrington. Easily fits in. Then my medium wristlet. Then my small wristlet. Easily fits it. You still have plenty of room. Definitely will hold a 16-ounce water bottle. Just a great bag. Just a great classic bag. Silhouette and style. And then the last one is the Amelie, or Amelie. And like I said, I purchased this from eBay, so the interior has some stains. Honestly, when I purchase bags from eBay, and if I don't want my items to touch the interior, I usually just use a organizer, and then that way everything goes in the organizer, and there's no issue. So that's what I would do, or that's what I would use when I carry this bag. So my large Carrington. And excuse the lighting, looks like the sun went in, but hopefully you can still see me. Medium wristlet. Small wristlet. There we go. Great bag. And then you just, to close it, you just do that. This is a nice one. Again, the rolled handles, you can load this up, it's not gonna dig in. This is a really, really nice bag. Now, some people may not like the fact that the sides are open. That doesn't bother me. They're so deep in there because, I doubt that things would actually fall out. Even if I'm in the car and the bag falls forward, I don't think things will fall out because, you have really good length or height on this bag. So I think we would be fine. So the next thing I'm going to do is try these bags on and show you how they look on me. Now I am 5'9", 5'8.5", 5'9". So let me show you how they look on me. Hi, I just wanted to show the comparison between the three bags as far as the depth of the bags. You can clearly see the Russel, this is the Russel, has more capacity than the other two, and the Ashton has the least amount. Well, the depth is less on the Ashton compared to the Amelie and the Russel. So I just wanted to show that. I keep forgetting to do that in my videos when I do comparisons of three styles to show how they actually compare in this way. This is the Dooney Bourke Ashton tote, and this is how it looks on me. Again, I am 5'8.5" to 5'9". And you can tell it's a dark color because I, of course, have on this black denim shirt, and you really can't, I don't know if you can tell that it's actually navy, but that's how it looks on me. Then the Russel. Have good clearance. That's how that one looks on me. Love the natural. Just such a beautiful color. And then last but not least, the Amelie. So, decent clearance. That's how it looks on me. So let me know what you think. Let me know which one you would choose if you would consider these any one of these bags at all. Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.